Oh guys, it's actually part 2. Now I'm gonna drink water first, and let's figure it out again. Guys, I'm just gonna drink water right here. Oh. Drink water. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Okay, remember that bus thing. Okay, that bus is literally not even good. Can I see the shadow again?
Nahuli siya ni mama, natutulog sila bilang lumawag.
Babae. Ito ba yung biyuda daw na babae? Or iba pa?
Iba po, yung mamaya na.
I'm gonna see the shadow. Why is there a skibidi cat there? It's kind of suspicious. Who's crying? I hear crying upstairs. What about the shadow thing? What about the what the hell? What just happened? Oh, the shadow thing is gone. Let's go on the bus. Three, two, one, go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pause it for a second.
Ganito na lang gawin natin
Okay,
na
guys.
yung dalawang bahay or property na yon.
So I think the 5-year-old kid just founded me. Oh shit. I don't know.
Kasi, ang tanong ni Serapin, anong pinagawa niyo? Jir-jir, ayaw ko na siya magpa-jir-jir. Kailan kayo huli nag-jir-jir, ma'am, ni Sir? Sukat nung pagdating niya sa bahay, kamot siya sa buto. Hindi ako puto-jir. Ano naman, sipsipin ko yun sa kanya, ay nasa balat na kadikit na. Love you, love. Oh, nahiya ka. Sasabihin mo. Oh, love.
Guys, what time is it? It's 7:58. Don't know now. Shut up.
Tricycle na yan, doon na lang sa anak ko. Yun nga, basta suporta. Hindi ko malain yun.
Stop to my Real Sniper and Call of Duty COD Mobile.
Baka pwede, maging magkaibigan na lang kayo para sa
Oh, COD Mobile, COD
Okay na
Mobile.
maging friends kayo, kaso silosa lang yung
Guys, it's actually a real sniper. My grandma's right there, and that man's right there, and that's girl. Call of Duty real life. This is Call of Duty in real life. What? Oh, I'm calling the cops on you. Guys, there's a spaceship.